So let me share my screen. I'm going to tell you about ChatGPT-5 and one of my favorite feature. This is something that is now available to even people on the free account. However, it used to be this part of this. They say it's a little improved, but I don't have it yet. I don't have it. It's rolling out right now. So today is Friday, August, August? Yeah, it's August 8th. And as of right now, I still don't have the ChatGPT interface. Okay. So for GPT-5. So here's my ChatGPT login. So this shows me, Barry Thomas. I'm a plus member. That means I'm paying for extra features. One of these features is now going to be available in the free version and improved. So I want to show you what this feature does. So when you're in ChatGPT, you click on the plus and you can switch to some of these different modes. Agent mode is amazing, but we're going to talk about deep research mode, which will now be available to free users. And so you see now it says research here, and I'm going to ask it a complex question. Okay, so let me just do it through the microphone. And how's that going to work when I'm recording on ChatGPT? I know how it works on Copilot. Oh, remember, Copilot is Microsoft's enhancements of ChatGPT with all the extra Microsoft goodness that comes with the history of all your emails, your chats, your Teams conversations, your interactions with your coworkers, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, automatically doing things for you. Which is why I say Copilot rocks, because it's got all of the ChatGPT plus stuff, plus all of the cool Microsoft stuff. But anyway, we'll come back to that. So let's see. Oh, and I know Microsoft is probably next week or week after we'll have a similar announcement about now all of ChatGPT-5 is incorporated into Copilot, but I'm waiting on that announcement. I will keep you updated. So let's go. Yes, you should already be able to. Hey, ChatGPT. I am working with the Tri-County Regional Black Chamber of Commerce on not just the intern program that we've discussed, but the apprentice program where we train underprivileged kids and adults to who need a second chance in life, and we teach them basic office skills, and I teach them programming, teach them AI, teach them automation, and have them build practical things for my clients. And so this is a powerful uh, program, but we need additional funding on it. So help me put together a grant package or design the whole apprentice program for me. Help me give me the step-by-steps on how to apply and get into the appropriate apprentice programs and get funding with like the Texas Workforce Commission. Give me the details with all the different logins and estimated time on how long each one takes, not just for me to do, but the lag time. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty complex prompt, and you see how I'm talking to it. All right, so it took what I said. So now it's going to not give me a quick and simple answer. It's going to do some deep research. And with GPT-5, it's supposed to be a whole lot more. Yep. Oh, it's asking me for more stuff now. Because this is GPT-4. Yes, I do have. So let me answer its questions. So for number one, geographic scope is in the greater Houston area. Uh, I have a legal, the I have my BT SharePoint DBA Copilot Rocks LLC, which is for profit, a small business, hub certified. And I have my partnership with the Tri-County Regional Black Chamber of Commerce. They are a not-for-profit organization. For number three, yes, I'm seeking state funding, but not only. Federal and private grants are more than good. rough number of apprentices annually. We're looking to do 20s for the first year. Do you have a curriculum or program structure in place? Yes, I do. Copilot has all of that information, but you don't, because you don't have all of that Microsoft history. But I will upload that when I gotta upload it to you. Okay. Okay. Now you see it says it's starting research. So this could take 10 minutes. This could take longer. That's okay. So there's depending on how deeply it goes in the research, it gives you estimates. But it's starting its research now. So I'm gonna go get some coffee, or maybe something else to drink. I'll be back. And that's a wrap for today's journey into the art of the possible with Copilot. Thank you for spending a few moments with us. We hope you discovered something new, something bold, something inspiring. If this sparked any ideas or questions that you have, let's keep the conversation going. Like, follow, and share this if it resonated. And drop a comment below, or send me a private message on what do you think we should explore next? What are your questions? What can I help with? And you need to reach out directly. The link, is in my bio. And any comments, any direct messages of any kind, you can send me smoke signals, okay? Until next time, stay curious. And remember, Copilot rocks.